Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tips 2025. If you're an iPhone user, you know how handy voice messages can be for quick chats or when you're on the go. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send a voice message on your iPhone in 2025. It's faster than typing and adds a personal vibe to your conversations. Let's dive right in. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS update for 2025. This keeps everything smooth and secure. Head to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates if you haven't already. Step 1. Open the Messages app from your home screen. It's the one with the green speech bubble icon, easy to spot. Step 2. Choose the conversation you want to send the voice message to. If it's a new chat, tap the Compose button in the top right corner and select your contact. Step 3. In the message composition area, look for the microphone icon next to the text field. Tap it to start recording your voice message. You'll see a timer start counting as you speak. Step 4. Speak clearly into your iPhone's microphone. You can record for up to 2 minutes, which is plenty for most messages. If you need to pause or stop early, just tap the stop button. Step 5. After recording, preview your message by tapping the play icon if you want to double check. Once you're happy, hit the send arrow to deliver it via iMessage. A quick tip. For the best quality, make sure you're in a quiet environment and that your microphone permissions are enabled in Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. If the recipient isn't on iMessage, it might convert to a regular audio file. And there you have it. Sending voice messages is that straightforward. It's a game changer for staying connected. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.